Hello everyone from the Columbus State Library. This is our tutorial about searching for Ohio statutory and case law in NexisUni. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the legal component of NexisUni, which provides access to state and federal laws and court cases, legislative histories, administrative regulations and decisions, law review articles, and much more. This tutorial will show you how to conduct a basic search for laws, also called statutes, and court cases, called case law. Keep in mind that NexisUni provides a multitude of features that will not necessarily be covered here. Features that allow law students and legal practitioners to personalize their information preferences and hone their search queries. So, I'm going to show you how to get to NexisUni. We're going to start at the Columbus State homepage, which I have open here, and you can see that's cscc.edu. And then from the Academics drop-down menu, you will see Library in this list. You can also go to library.cscc.edu to get directly to the library homepage. So next we're going to go to Find Books and Articles, the drop-down menu, and then under Find Articles we are going to go to Databases. On the right side of the screen we're going to click the words NexisUni under the Featured Databases heading. And then if you're off campus, you are going to have to enter your last name and Cougar ID to get access to the database. Okay, so this is the NexisUni homepage. The primary methods of conducting a search in NexisUni are available from its homepage. You can use natural language searching or terms and connectors searching. If you click the Help key located on the homepage and throughout the database, you'll find explanations and examples and videos on search methodology. So there are some helpful tools in here for searching. So for this example, we're going to say your assignment is to find Ohio statutes and case law on the ramifications of texting while driving in the state of Ohio. So on the home page, we're going to type texting while driving in the large search bar, and then you can either hit enter or the magnifying glass to search those terms. When performing a natural language search, you can see I use quotation marks whenever I have two or more words in a search that need to remain together. Quotations identify those words as one exact term, allowing for more accurate search results. So if you examine this box over here to the left, you can select law reviews and journals, cases, statutes and legislation, legal news, and more. Choosing the first option in the list will provide an overview of the topic. So I clicked on that. Selecting the Snapshot section from the box located in the upper right will let you focus specifically on cases, statutes, and legal news about texting while driving. I am going to go back to our results. So we are going to select statutes and legislation from the initial list in the column to the left. Then we're going to look at the second gray box down here. It appears underneath the first box. So you can use natural language to search within results here. Or you can narrow your search by category, which is the type of legal resource desired, or jurisdiction, which could be Arizona, Maryland, Ohio, or the US, etc. Sources, which are specific legal resources. For this, we're going to choose category, or we're going to go under category, and we are going to choose codes, which refers to law as opposed to bills and pending legislation. And then under jurisdiction here, we are going to choose Ohio. Okay. So when you search with those two parameters, your results will be sections from the Ohio Revised Code, or ORC, the source that contains all official law for the state of Ohio. Review all the ORC sections in your results list to determine which are relevant to your specific assignment. So you'll see we have 3 results here, and then for this example we're going to select ORC ANN 4511.204. So this contains general prohibitions regarding texting while driving, including a definition of what constitutes an electronic wireless communication device. I'll scroll down a little bit. The abbreviation ANN after ORC stands for annotated, which indicates the official statutes or codes are accompanied by helpful notes that clarify their meaning and provide relevant references to other legal sources. Also included in the codes section is the history down here, which provides a list of all bills proposed in the Ohio House of Representatives that went into its making. The editor's notes section provides clarifications regarding the legislation as well as the commentary on amendments that have modified the law. So here are the editor's notes. In the last section of ORC ANN 4511.204, down here, you'll see a brief discussion of the Ohio case Village of Lindale v. State, with parallel citations included. It is important to remember that standard legal citation format dictates including all parallel citations when you cite any court case. In the instance of Lindale, there are parallel citations to where the case can be found in other Ohio court reporters, which are chronologically arranged volumes containing additional Ohio court cases. There is also a parallel citation to 19 NE 3D 935, a regional court reporter covering a specific geographic area. And in this example, that geographic area is the northeastern portion of the U.S. So let's click on the Lindale link here. Okay. Not only can you read the actual court case, but you can review the annotations or the notes, which are an invaluable and well-known feature of legal sources. So let's review the material presented. You will see first the first section with headings for reporter, right here, indicating the official citation for the case, followed by its parallel citations. Subsequent and prior history, here, indicating subsequent and prior status of the case, and disposition, or the court's final determination of the case. This is followed by a core terms section and a case summary section, the latter which includes the case overview and outcome. Next, you'll see a section of LexisNexis headnotes, an important feature providing the key legal points of a case. At the end of the headnotes section, you'll see listings for counsel, judges, and opinions by, in this example, one written by Julia L. Dorian. So let's scroll down. Okay, and here we see Dorian. If we scroll through the next section, which is the actual court opinion, it is followed again by judges in the case, Klatt and Sadler. Let me scroll down. Sorry. Okay. And then we can see how they ruled, Klatt concurring and Sadler concurring in part and dissenting in part, and Judge Sadler's dissent, which is here. Clicking on the links for Klatt and Sadler will provide the judge's court affiliations and full name. So if we click on Sadler, we can see court affiliations, and we can see Lisa L. Sadler is the full name. To complete the second part of your assignment and to obtain a more comprehensive list of relevant Ohio cases directly, I'm going to start with our search again. I'm just going to do texting while driving. And you'll notice that gets us back to about over 10,000 results. This time we're going to select cases from the shaded area. And we are going to select court down here, and we're going to go with state and choose Ohio. So to further narrow our search, we can enter reckless within the search within. box. So we get 2 results here. You could narrow it even further by entering, I'm just going to show you this. If we did something like intox with this exclamation mark at the end there, so that, using the exclamation mark, it's called a wildcard character, and that will include anything, it will include intoxicated, intoxicant, intoxicating, and any other variant of that. So if I search that, I do not see any that involve all 3 Ohio cases, but maybe I can take out Ohio and I can try Pennsylvania, and I see there are 3 cases there. So this tutorial focuses on using the natural language search in the NexisUni database. Remember that a terms and connectors search method is also available from the database's homepage. With some experimentation, you will see that options using the NexisUni database are nearly limitless. We hope this tutorial gets you started. And just in case you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the library. Again, the library homepage is library.cscc.edu, and all our contact information is over here. And you can also chat with us in real time by clicking this Ask the Library box. Thank you.